তো এতিয়া আমি গৈ আছোঁ একুৰিয়াম অভিমুখে। একুৰিয়ামৰ পাৰ্কিংটো আৰু যিটো হেৰি আছিলে সেইটো অকণমান দূৰত হয়, আমি গম নাপালোঁ, কিন্তু উপায় নাই, তাহাঁতে লগত নাই চাগে। হেৰি বব ঠিকে আছেনে? ভয় নাখাবা, চাৰ্কটো আছলি হ'লেও একো নকৰে, হ'বনে? অঁ পালা নেকি? অঁ বঢ়িয়া, সুন্দৰ। এইটো এনে হ'ব? অঁ চোৱা, আমি কালি কোকা কোলাৰ ইয়ালৈ আহিছিলোঁ। এতিয়া আমি এইখিনিত অকণমান ৰখিম। লাইনৰ পিনে গৈ আছোঁ আমি। এইটো এন্ট্ৰেন্স হয় ফটো ল'ম। হা তো বব কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? Oh, yeah, you can. ডলফিন শ্ব' আৰম্ভ হৈছে, অলমষ্ট 5 মিনিটমান আছে, গতিকে পাম আৰু। আমি ডলফিন শ্ব' চাবলৈ আহিছোঁ। বহুত মানুহ আছে, এইটো এটা চিনেমা হলৰ দৰে বস্তু। সন্মুখত এটা চুইমিং পুল জাতীয় দেখা যায়, ডলফিনকেইটা তালৈ আহিব চাগে।
You embark on a journey to learn how incredibly connected we are, to see the impact we have.
Welcome deeper into the world of dolphins with all of you today. Now, we won't be traveling alone, so let me introduce you to a few of my friends and fellow trainers. Joining me on stage is Morgan and Chris. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time to meet our family of bottlenose dolphins. First up, joining you front and center to give you a dolphin-style hello, this is Salvador. Last but certainly not least, our high-flying little rock star soaring into the spotlight. This is Salvador's best friend, meaning she lives with other females. Within these maternity pods, they will actually assign their calf a unique sound. This is known as a signature whistle. Bukanala here is going to demonstrate this unique sound for all of you. Great job, Bukanala! Here in Georgia Aquarium, we are home to 13 bottlenose dolphins. A lot of people wonder, how do you tell them apart? Well, Bukanala's name actually comes from the Hawaiian saying for rising sun. So it's actually a way that can help. She's very light in color, just like a top of their head, right here. What is that guy called? A blowhole. You're 2 for 2, Grayson. Well done. All right, Eva. We didn't get our first question, but that's okay. I think we've got this next one. So for
কি আছে সৰু ফিছ বহা
My name is Emily, and today I am playing for Team Scarlet. Hello, everyone. My name is Ashley, and I'm playing on Team Katie. Woo! Hello, everybody. My name is Abby, and last but certainly not least, we have Team Sappy. Now that you guys have met the real winning team, let's give it up one more time for all of our Sea Lion superstars.
Impressive cast of characters. Let's take a moment to learn a little about each Sea Lion star and why they're playing today.
Okay, everybody, bring your attention to the center rock, the center where every single winner belongs. True home team advantage. Scarlet is the only sea lion who can say she was born right here at Georgia Aquarium. Right, Scarlet? That's right. Today, we are planning to support sustainable fishing practices. The more that we consider about the fish we choose to purchase, the more seafood we can make sure is out of the ocean for all of Scarlet's sea lion and human friends. Up next, all the way on your right, we have 16-year-old Katie. Katie here is our matriarch, which just translates to she is the boss. I have no fear that she'll be taking charge of this competition today. Today, Katie and I are playing for ocean ecological research. For the more that we know about our oceans, the better we can protect and preserve them.
Finally, all the way to your left, we've got Sappy. Now, she is definitely one of our most vocal contestants. So our plan today is to shout out as many answers as possible, and at least one of them will be right. Right, Sap? Yeah, she said lots of right answers coming out of her mouth today. Now, as Team Sappy, we are playing to support marine life. This one, front and center. It's a lot.
Okay. Katie says it's 8 to 12 hours. Way to go, Katie. So sea lions are going to sleep upwards to 8 to 12 hours a night, which is honestly pretty great if you ask me. I wish I could get that.
They have the ability to rotate those hind flippers under their bodies so they can walk and they have a fused hip bone. Meaning they're unable to rotate their hind flippers under their body. Rather, they utilize their abdominal muscles to move around on the ground. They can move in reverse, just looks a little bit different. A-okay though. Our sea lions have mastered their impression of how she walks forward on land, so we'll give you a side-by-side comparison and let us know what you think.
Wow, hammer it. হ'ব দেখিছা? মই দেখা নাই নেকি?
Push you in. Okay, guys, let's go.
Guys, I have to see for your mother. Sorry, turn around.
Saki!
In front of the shark. There.
Hey, what's up? Oh, there's the tiger. Hey, what's up? Oh, that's a white. That's not. No, that's a white. That's not a hammerhead. That's a white. Oh, this is not white. Oh, why not even what?
পিছফালে আছে কেনেকুৱা ধুনীয়া লাগে ন বুলি চোৱা এইপিনে চোৱা কি ধুনীয়া লাগিছে বব বাহ বুমি পানী 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 চোৱা পানী মাছ আছে ভিডিও ফটো ভিডিও मेरा भी फोटो वीडियो है ना खाना piranha maছ হয়
He thought when he was young, he thought it was salmon.
এইটো piranha মাছ হয় খাই থ'লো ন
Every day.
নেকি নাপায় নাপায় এইটো মাছে মানুহ খাই পেলাব পিৰাণা হয় এইটো মাছ
Look at my cut.
হা ইয়াত এটা টানেল আছে কি হয় ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ আমি এতিয়া কি হয় কি আছে ইয়াতে কি আছে হ'ব আমাৰ বড়ো মাছ জোখোৱে বাফেলো কাৰ্প চাগে দেখাই নাই মাছ Hai, bobo, ki atugari. Oi, o produtor se maçou. Bola, aku dah bola. Ha, bobo, so. Hali jaba. Chalo. Boleh ki mas Bobo, Real good to say. What is it? Oh, hombre. Korea lekha wo. ¿Qué es? ¿Mata se ligue? ¿Qué es? ¿Ah? Pura है रिवर
Crocodile.
American red eye tetra. Kuntu bang, boleh nama bu. So mas kita.
Some of the questions that we're looking to have answered here in Galapagos are what are these first species
Boleh so.
and how does
बहुत
that
मानू
affect
আছে
their plastics intake? So this is
Hey,
an
Pine.
extension
Pine, wala
of
wo?
the project that we
Bugli,
have
hey.
at the aquarium.
Hey, Bugli.
We're looking worldwide at microplastics ingestion by sharks.
nasa. So, hey, we're going to show. If you are hey, kumai ase, green color. Green color kumai ase. Boleh pipe sepe kumai saya buat, iksa.
Why does it look red?
That's the restroom. Okay, we came into this.
Oh, bapo iki. এটা ফটো উঠাও না এইটো পুরো চেস্টিং রে
one you are not. This is optional, so you can choose either. However, everything with wheels, we do ask stays off of that moving part.
Theo jaka.
Now, this is a really cool part of the aquarium. It is home to our whale sharks, which makes us famous. We also have
보고 쏴.
Do wrap things up here. I do want to offer an opportunity to open up the floor to Q&As. However, I do also want to let folks know, with it being about 2:25, that if you have signed up for the 3 o'clock dolphin presentation, those doors are opening and they will close then at exactly 3 o'clock. So exit out of this gallery will be on that left-hand side underneath the green exit sign. So,
খাওঁ যোৱা 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 খাওঁ কোৱা কি কাৰোবাৰ বুলি কৰা अरे ये लोग खेलते हैं अपने साथ डॉल्फिन ही है ना
डॉल्फिन नहीं है
जो ये लोग आते हैं आके हमारे साथ जो खेल रहे हैं
They do a trick, but it comes out the top of their heads. Yeah, if you look at them, let's see if this one will show us. So they have a mouth, but their nose is on top of their head. Watch. Oh, wow, look. Oh. See that hole? That little hole is where he blows out, so he can breathe through the top of his head. Oh, look. That looks so cool. Oh, isn't that awesome?
Eso only. এইপিনে চাওক হা কোনটো ওলা এইটো ফচিল হয় বুঢ়ী কিমান ডাঙৰ আছিল বুজিছা Three dragons. চোৱা কি হ'ব এইটো কি পেঙ্গুইন হয় নেকি
Welcome in as you're making your way up that road. One of the coolest facts about that Tough and Habitat is going to be the coolest exhibit here at Georgia.
গ্ৰীণ হয় আমি প্ৰথমবাৰ দেখিছোঁ
Esto sí es un pingüino. Hola, 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 hola.
Looking at right now, they are able to swim freely between all of the three parts.
There you go. ফাইনেলি ঘূৰি আহি পেলাই আমি খাবলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ এতিয়া আমি বহু গৈ থাকিম আমেৰিকান আমাৰ তন্দুৰী চিকেন কি আছিল এইটো চিকেনৰ আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান এইটো